Guys, welcome back tonight. Oh god, I forgot the mic. Well, I'm just going to do this. Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today hello guys, welcome back to Luke's Game 4, and we're gonna play Plane Crazy. As I made my own aircraft inspired by a World War II aircraft that actually exists. As I don't think no one has did this aircraft here, so I think I'm the first one to do it. My voice changed since I'm getting older. If you guys really wanna support the channel, if you guys really want to follow me and want to play games with me and chat, make sure you go check out my group, Luke's Gaming the VO. I can't play for since Roblox. Anyways, if you guys, I'll actually keep that updated now. I'm gonna check tonight after this video is uploaded. I'm also gonna put a schedule up. If I know what's going to happen very soon, I may put a schedule up there for a video coming up soon. And the movie, still in progress. We still need patch up stuff and do stuff. So it's still going to take a long time. Plus, the box foot's never going to be there for long. But anyways, we are still trying to get the spider problem out of the way. And we already got the first story done. The first story is already done. We actually need to start practicing on scripts. It's going to be 1 hour long, by the way. So if you guys want to take it, okay, I'll stop talking. Anyways, let's get on to the video. Come on. I thought there was music going to play. I guess I didn't do it. Actually, no, I'm never going to put music. So, how was your day? It's good. Okay, I like to hear that. Yeah, minutes. I only found like 5 minutes out of like the 100 I had. So, you guys just go down there and hit that subscribe button and share the video. That'll be good for me. So, I can get more minutes. Pip house. I forgot to do that. I will do that tonight. I will do that. I'll start doing that. I promise. I just want to get to chapter 30, and then anyone in my Roblox group will actually get to decide what kid-friendly thing we should do again. Like if we should go back to one again, like the main story, and okay, guys, I will show you the plane. This thing's taking a while. Oh, now it's gonna oh god, it's so laggy. Okay. It's not supposed to do this, guys. Guess I'm using the old model. This I don't actually have 2 models, by the way. So if it's laggy, I usually do it on better device now. Eventually we'll get better device though. Better one. You guys really want me to the bloopers? Ah man, the bloopers. How can I get it over to this place? I know we should. The bloopers are basically us training for scripts a little bit. Oh god, no, I jumped out of my seat. Yeah, we're never going to get up in the air, guys, because of this. Can we get up in the air? The propeller is not supposed to act like this. I'm at the props. It's basically 2 aircraft in line. Oh, so why is it not working? Oh, there it is. Is that one actually? I know. Yeah, that one's actually, the one that I'm on is actually not, the other one's not going as fast. Yeah, it kind of stuck right now a little bit. I don't know if I'm the first one to make this probably. I'm probably the first one to make it. I don't know. I don't guarantee it, guys. If you guys could find what airplane this is, I know what it is, but I tried to look it up, but it wasn't gonna work. Watch NASCAR live in 30 minutes. NASCAR's on! Also, you're supposed to have 2 people in here because it's unbalanced, basically. Basically 2 aircraft in one, by the way. There you go. Where's my bomb? It's supposed to drop now. I'm hitting the button. Oh, there you go. Bye. If you guys actually want me to do this on a bad device or try to do it on a better device, I can. Also, I got stung by a wasp for the first time. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. This is way better on my phone, by the way. I don't get how I got a cow on my phone. That just... I would try to do it. I'd try to transfer some film over if I can get a screen recorder on it, but... Wait. One of the blades went on spinning. Did you see that? It was the other one. Yeah, it's not really intact. Oh god, that was weird actually. Guys, I think we're good to that a little bit too much. So if you guys want, oh god, I don't. Oh god, it's moving too slow. I think we're on down. Yeah, we have to be above 200 miles per hour, basically. But not. Oh, look. It's happening again. It just happened again. Look, it's happening again. Oh! Stop it. Stop it. Well, that was close, right? We would have died. Right? Right? Let me turn my microphone back on. Right, guys? We probably would have died, actually. So, I think I'm just gonna, call it quits today, actually. I don't get why I can't handle it. The device can't handle it, actually. Or the computer, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. I don't get why it won't handle it, actually. That's really weird. I actually never experienced that ever in my life, actually. So that's actually the first time that actually happened. Actually, not really the first time because I have to record more videos. Plus, okay. So if you guys want more, if you guys want me to try to fix it, I just found a piece of candy in my room. I'm gonna throw it in the trash. It's my old candy machine that I tore apart, by the way, because it was very bad. So don't ask me for that. And I think I'm gonna, end it here. It was kind of a weird day, actually. So I don't get what actually happened. But I don't know it was weird. It was actually weird, actually. I don't get what was happening. But it was weird, my man. Like, first things first. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, by the way. I don't know. It was just weird, okay? So, let's just ride off into the ocean. Yeah, let's go there. This thing's actually a good boat. You notice? Yeah, we're just gonna, ride into the ocean. I think I'll see you guys later. Bye! Turn off my microphone today. Do I have it still recording? Oh no.